Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm so excited to be sharing my very first Stampin' Up unboxing of 2026. Inside this box are some beautiful pre-ordered items, and along with a few online exclusives you won't find in the catalogue, and I can't wait to take a closer look with you. If you enjoy Stampin' Up sneak peeks, unboxings and creative inspiration, please give me this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing so you don't miss out what's coming next. All the products I share today are linked below. And if you're in the UK, you're very welcome to shop with me or get in touch if you have any questions. Now, let's open the box. I'm just going to turn my camera on what I ordered. Let's put this box to one side and I'll show you what I've ordered. Oh, this is called the Dream Team. So if you've got anything, if you've got a team of people, you can create cards around for your boss. These are, let's see what this looks like inside. These are the new packaging now. This is what you're going to get now. It looks quite nice. I like it. It's been a while. And there'll be the photopolymer, which, as you can see. So yeah, this one's called the Dream Team. I can't wait to use this for sending out stuff to my team and thanking them for joining my team. So if you want to be part of my team, then yes, we have a one of a kind new inclusive joining offer, but I will show you what that looks like in a minute. So yes, if you want to join, there's a really good offer going on at the moment, especially if you're new to Stampin' Up. So that was the first one. Oh, my other one, because of my love for prayers, this one's called Prayers and Promises, and it's got lovely sentiments saying, sending love, I'm here for you, give it to God, I'm so sorry for your loss, peace. This is praying that the Lord promises you will bring you hope and comfort in the days ahead. So there's some new, I like these types of stamp sets as well. So that's my second one. My other one, my love for photographs, I got the Capturing Smiles. So if you do like scrapbooking or anything like that, we have now the Capturing Smiles, which is a camera, a few little photo pictures here on the side. I hope you can see that clearly. Life's Capture, love this, everyday moments, So if you're doing a scrapbook spread, oops, this would be really ideal. Hoping to be able to do a scrapbook page for you. I will be doing that. What else did I get in my here's another one. It's called Hope, Love and Joy. And you can create using a zero, but as I said, I can't wait to use these ones because of everyone goes on a journey, and sometimes you don't know what life brings you in all of that, but this is really, really nice. Not as exciting as some of the ones you've probably seen. Oh, I've got another wordy one. It's called Fabulous Sayings, and this one is the one that, this is a product of the month, so I got this for £5. So when you spend £70, I believe, you get a product for £5. So it's got some beautiful sentiments. Happy birthday, you're on my mind, thank you, sending love, good wording, good writing as well. So shop with me. As I said, there will be a link down below, of course, for that. And of course, I got some designer series paper. My goal this year is to try and use my designer series paper without you know, buying loads and hoarding it. I don't want to hoard it in 2026, so I'm asking you to be accountable for me. So I got what's called the Hobby Heaven. I didn't get all the packaging. I just like the paper. So it is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. The paper is really gorgeous. If you're a book lover, you can make a sheet with books. Beauty, a sheet on beauty, and that's the back. Cooking, if you like baking and cooking. A coffee machine, it looks like, and that's what you get. Coziness, relaxation, and that's what the back looks like. This is really a nice paper, so I can't wait to use this. I don't know how I'm going to use it yet, but loving it, loving it, loving it. And with that also you get in the packet some ephemera. So these come up, these cutter parts come out. So yeah, I can't wait to use this. You get 2 sheets of that as well. So yes, exciting stuff. And that's called Hobby Heaven. As I said, I will put links to that. So you will be able to start shopping quite soon for that. Now, if you decide to join, Stampin' Up have got a new, let me get out the packet, stamping positioner. And I thought, I have one already, but I thought this one looked much easier to use, because sometimes when you want to go close to the edge or you want to do something, it doesn't kind of function in the way I like it. So we have the new stamping positioner. Exciting. I can't wait to demonstrate this to you, but today I'm just showing you what I got. And as I said, if you want to join Stampin' Up, this is what you get. This is what you get when you join Stampin' Up. One of these. As I said, I will demonstrate it or send a link for you how this is used. But I know you want me to, this is good that the magnetics are on little tabs, so it's easy for you to pick up. So that's beautiful as well. Here you can position where you used to be able to, oh, it's quite nice. And here, if you want to continue a repeat. So this is what you get exclusively if you join Stampin' Up. You'll get this for free. I bought some extra paper because I didn't really want to stand up for me. This helps with the alignment as well. So that's what I got. I didn't get much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. As I said, like and subscribe and leave a comment. It all helps. But you know, again, it's about enjoying creativity in it's about enjoying your creativity in this current year, but trying to keep not overspending. I don't want to overspend. I really don't. I want to show you how to use up everything. So thank you for joining me today. Thank you for joining me today. Again, I'm so sorry I've been away for so long. You know, yeah, and I want to get back to creating. I want to show you my simple stamping or my simple cards, but you know, using other people's ideas but making it look different. I want to show you all those things. So again, it's been a while, but I'm back now. Thank you again for my little pre-boxing. I shall see you soon. Bye for now, my crafty friends.